Before analyzing any dataset, it's essential to clean and standardize the values. In this tutorial, I'll show you the key steps to prepare your data for reliable analysis. Here's the raw dataset. You can already see several issues: inconsistent text formatting, extra spaces, missing values, and numeric fields stored incorrectly. These problems can affect your summaries and statistical results. First, let's clean the text fields. We have two text fields, country and population. Let's begin with the country field. To clean text variables, I can use functions like trim, clean, and proper. Clean removes hidden characters. I type clean, select the first country name and then drag the formula down. We see that some issues with lower caps and extra spaces remain, so we need additional formulas. The second formula to be applied is trim. This formula removes extra spaces. I type trim, select the first country and drag the formula down. We can see that the extra space in United States disappeared. The third formula I will apply is proper. This formula standardizes capitalization. Type trim, select the first country name and drag down as before. As we can see, now we have proper capitalization, but the extra space in United States reappeared, because the proper formula only handles capitalization. What can be done in this case is to nest the three formulas together in one formula like this. This gives a clean, consistent text field, where all formatting issues are fixed at once. We only need this last column, so let's highlight it. And I will delete the other three columns. Year and GDP growth contain numerical values, so I will leave them for later. Let's move to the second text field, region. I will apply the nested formula including proper, trim and clean as we did for the country and drag it down. Now we have consistent formatting across the region.